Okay, boys and girls, we are back, and now we getting ready to put in these tweeters. Yep. But as always, everybody, from the good doctor, you know, I'm just giving something freely back, okay, that was freely given to me. And I hope somebody out there will understand the good doctor. I hope somebody out there that's looking at this video will, how you say, understand where the good doctor is coming from. Because I'll keep it old school, everybody. I'm sorry. I'll keep it old school. I know it's a new generation coming, and like that song is saying on the commercial, times they are a-changing. Really think about that. Okay? And man, I tell you, it's something else. But once again, when it comes to screwing them, okay, go diagonal, don't go vertical or horizontal. Alright, there's one, see, then go down to the next corner. Then and again, everybody, just bear with me because I'm doing this by myself, even with the camera, okay? Alright? That'd be cool. The good doctor get an award for coolest instructional video that you could understand. Yeah. You know? Yeah. Okay. Now we're putting in the other Sherwin Vega tweeter. Okay. Feed it through here. And what you do is when you go to the second tweeter with the wires, you just feed it through the hole here. What you want to do, you want to make sure it's, you know, you have it, try to do it as professional as possible, okay? And if you got a lot of time on your hands, you'll be able to do this right. Yep. Alright, so now we put this there. Okay, and then what we do, we hook up these. The second tweeter. Now, this is a three-way system, but I had a lot of people ask me, yo, Doc, what happened to the horn? What happened to the horn? And what happened to the mid-range part of the three-way? Well, if I'm correct, everybody, what Sherwin Vega tried to do was they tried to, I guess, have the woofer have one of these tweeters act like a mid-range and then the tweeter. Okay, I guess to one tweeter do two jobs in one, tweeter and mid, and then the high, the tweeter here, and plus it has a decibel meter in the back to where it can go minus and plus when it comes to decibels on this high energy design, HED. So as we put these in, okay, a lot of people ask me, yo, Doc, what kind of power are you running? The power, my speakers. Well, I got 3 amps, you guys. Check this out. I have the Monkey, the Gorilla, and the Monster. Okay? The Monster is kicking it hooked up now in the studio now. That's my crown amp. Okay? Now, the Gorilla is my gem sound amp, which is 250 watts a side in the 8 ohms. Now, the Monkey is another gem sound. They're, identically twins. It's just that one is 100 watts a side and the other one is 250 a side. So the Monkey is 100 watts. The Gorilla is the 250 watts, and then the Monster is the crown, that's 450 watts, okay, into 2 channels. All right, and for you ones that want to hook up 4 speakers on 2 channels, okay, I'm gonna do another video when it comes to, check out this name, Daisy Chain. Remember that name, Daisy Chain. Okay, is how to hook up 4 speakers on 2 channels. Okay, remember that name, Daisy Chain. All right, I'm explaining that to you in another episode on my On Assignment channel. Okay, on YouTube and on my Facebook page. Okay, X-Men Studios On Assignment. Y'all gonna trip off of it, okay? And when I learned the name from it, because I thought it was called hooking it up in series, no, it's called Daisy Chain. All right, check it out when we do that, okay? All right, boys and girls, we gonna tighten these up. Once again, go diagonal, okay? Don't go horizontal or vertical at one time. All right. Okay. And now we're about to put in the woofer. You see what I'm doing? I'm taking the screws out that's supposed to be here. And once again, see, when you do it like this, you don't have to worry about where your screws are at. Because see, once you have good connections on all your speakers, then you won't have to be worrying about it tripping on you and phasing out. You want to have a good separation too when it comes to your speakers. Like me, I'm running 4, okay? But when you sit in between the speakers, you can hear a hellified separation, boy. Woo, man, I'm telling you. It's like you in one of those high price studios, you know what I'm saying? Yep. Alright, there. Now this right here, this is the bad boy right here, okay? And this bad boy right here, 15-inch. Now I may be saying this, I may be pronouncing the name wrong, but I call it immense speakers. Man, this bad boy right here is rated 350 watts, and that's just for your bass, y'all. Okay, so we about to put this bad boy in, and this is the best replacement if you can't find the aluminum frame 15-inch Sherwin-Vega woofer that is supposed to be in here. This is the next best thing. Okay, this is the next best thing, you guys, and this is no joke. All right, the good doctor don't play when it comes to sound. Okay, so we do here. Ready to hook this up. One. Two. Set it in here. Like that. Now, check this out. This is what I call a balanced cabinet. Okay? If you can put your woofer back in the cabinet, just like this, before you even screw it in, okay, to tighten it up, if it sits like this, you got a damn good cabinet, you guys. Okay? Really. Because if you can sit it in here and it falls back out, something wrong. But if you can sit it in here and it'll just sit just like this while you screwing your putting your screws back in, you got one balanced hellified cabinet. And believe it or not, everybody, these 1970s Sherwin-Vega H15s, if all this was out, each cabinet weighed damn near 100 pounds. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we're about to screw these in. I hope what I'm doing here is very educational to you new schoolers out there, because see, the reason why I'm saying this is this. I noticed that with all this new equipment that's coming out now, okay, you guys have these speakers that, you know, powered speakers. So, okay? Because I noticed when you turn the speaker around, it's like you got so much stuff to hook up to instead of just hooking it up, hot to ground, and that's it, okay? But instead, you got other speak-on plug-ins, you know. Some of them come up with little 5 to 7 band EQs on the back of the speaker, okay? I mean, don't get me wrong, everybody, that's cool and everything, but I'm going to keep it old school, all right? At least you can say, well, damn, every time when I come to DJ Dr. Funkenstein's lab, man, his stuff be bumping. I'm serious, you know? I don't play, you guys, okay? Hey, I've come a long way, and now, like I said, I just wanted to give something back to you guys that was truly and freely given to me. A big thank you to Mr. Roger Clayton for teaching the good doctor how to DJ from the ground up, 101. And I got to give a big shout out to Mr. Edwin Voss for taking the time out that time when he was off of 65th, if I'm correct, 65th and Western. And that was my first time ever going over there, and he had nothing but Sherwin Vegas, okay? Nothing but CVs. And I was like, wow, okay? You know, so a big shout out to Edwin, aka Music People, aka Mr. CV. Alright. Yep. Now when you put your woofers in, everybody, take your time. Okay? Take your time. Really, take your time. Alright. Now, we're about to screw these in. Do it the same way you did your tweeters. But this time, instead of having 4 corners, see, you got all this around. Okay? So what you got to do is start from the top. And this time you can go vertical and horizontal because you have both horizontal here and vertical, and you have your diagonals. So what I do is this, okay? I did the top, now I'm gonna do the bottom. Okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go horizontal. Okay? No, I'm gonna go diagonal. That one. And this one. And now, what you do is, now I'm going to go horizontal on this one. And now I'm going to go diagonal on the last two. And if you want to know what the black is around here for, right here, that's called a gasket, okay? Because see, once you tighten everything up, it seals it, okay, like airtight. Okay, so now we're going to go around. Okay, there you have it. Now this bad boy is back together. Once again, like I said, please excuse the inside of the cabinet because all this is going to get redone. Right now we're just putting everything together so we can run a major test on them and see how this turns out, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we're going to come back on our next segment when we're going to be testing them, okay, along with my Geminis, my GSM 1585s, okay, and those bad boys, man, one cabinet just holds 700 watts. Now the RMS is 175 continuous, but if you want to RMS is 175 but continuous is 700 watts. So do the math, and I got the monster hooked up and everything. Yeah, y'all gonna see it on the next segment, okay? Hey everybody, I am DJ Dr. Funkenstein of Uncle Jam's Army and EIN Radio, exclusiveinfo.net. And do the good doctor a favor, okay? Subscribe to both of my TV channels, okay? Alright? One is called Funk Vision, the other one is called On Assignment. Funk Vision DJ Dr. Funkenstein, WeFunkRadio.com. On Assignment DJ Dr. Funkenstein, WeFunkRadio.com. Okay? And subscribe everybody, because I'm telling you, summertime is coming and we're gonna be doing a lot of things, you guys. I'm telling you. It's gonna be off the chain, okay? So until then, I'll see you guys on the next segment. And speaking for my circle, X-Men Studios, which is home to We Funk Radio Los Angeles, Wolfgang Productions, EIN Radio, exclusiveinfo.net. Sign up and join the in crowd, okay? Uncle Jam's Army. Excuse me. Technoforce Entertainment, Les Sound Labs, and the most quietest one of all, Covert Entertainment and Soundworks. Okay, everybody, I am the good doctor. I want y'all to have a blessed day, and be looking for my videos coming up on X-Men Studio page on Facebook, on X-Men Studios On Assignment on Facebook, my page, okay? Take care, everybody. We love you all. And as always, may we funk you. And we out. Peace.